What are options? And options trading. Options trading is how buyers can speculate at the destiny path of the general stock marketplace or person securities like stocks or bonds. Options contracts provide you with the choice, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a designated rate by way of a specified date. What are options? Options are tradable contracts that investors use to take a position approximately whether or not an asset's fee may be better or lower at a positive date inside the future, without any requirement to absolutely buy the asset in question. Nifty 50 options, as an instance, permit traders to take a position as to the destiny route of this benchmark inventory index that is normally understood as U.S. stock market. Options seem a little counterintuitive. However, they're no longer as complicated as they appear. To understand options, you simply want to recognize a few key terms. Derivative. Options are what's known as a derivative, meaning that they derive their price from another asset. Take stock options, where the rate of a given stock dictates the cost of the choice settlement. Call choice and positioned alternative. A call alternative offers you the possibility to shop for a safety at a predetermined rate by way of a designated date, while a put option allows you to promote a protection at a destiny date and price. Strike charge and expiration date. That predetermined rate stated above is what's known as a strike charge. Traders have until an option contract's expiration date to exercising the choice at its strike price. Premium. The rate to purchase in choice is called a top rate, and it's calculated primarily based at the underlying security's charge and values. Intrinsic value and extrinsic price. Intrinsic fee is the difference between an alternative settlement's strike price and contemporary price of the underlying asset. Extrinsic price represents other elements outdoor of those taken into consideration in intrinsic fee that have an effect on the top class, like how long the choice is right for, in the cash and out of the money. Depending on the underlying protections fee and the time last until expiration, an alternative is stated to be in the cash, worthwhile, or out of the cash, unprofitable. How options pricing works. Let's make feel of all of this terminology with an example. Consider an inventory that's presently trading for INR 100 a share. Here's how the rates, or the charges, function for distinctive alternatives based totally at the strike charge. Call option premium strike price. Put option premium highest USD 90, lowest USD 95, USD 100. Current price USD 105, lowest USD 110, highest. When buying and selling options, you pay a top rate up the front, which then offers you the option to shop for this hypothetical stock, call alternatives, or sell the inventory, placed alternatives, on the distinct strike rate by using the expiration date. A decreased strike rate has greater intrinsic value for name options since the alternative settlement lets you buy the stock at a lower fee than what it's trading for right now. If the inventory's rate remains USD 100, your call options are in the money, and you may purchase the stock at a discount. Conversely, a better strike price has extra intrinsic value for positioned alternatives because the settlement allows you to promote the stock at a higher charge than in which it's buying and selling currently. Your alternatives are in the money if the inventory remains at USD 100, however you have the right to sell it at a better strike price, say USD 110. How options trading works. You can deploy quite a number options buying and selling strategies, from a straightforward approach to elaborate, complex trades. But widely speak me, trading call alternatives is the way you bet on growing prices at the same time as trading positioned alternatives is a manner to guess on falling costs. Options contracts provide traders the right to shop for or sell at the least 100 shares of inventory or different property. However, there's no duty to work out options within the occasion a change isn't worthwhile. As an end result, options buying and selling can be a relatively low-price way to invest on a whole variety of asset classes. Option buying and selling lets in you to invest on. whether an asset's charge will rise or fall from its present day rate, by how plenty an asset's charge will rise or fall, by what date those fee adjustments will occur. With call and put options, you want the underlying asset's price to upward push or fall to interrupt even, which is a dollar amount same to the top class paid plus the strike rate. Here's how you earn an income. Call options. Once the underlying asset's fee has exceeded the rec-even charge, you can sell the decision alternative, called ultimate your position, and earn the difference among the top rate you paid and the current top class. Alternatively, you could work out the option to shop for the underlying asset on the agreed-upon strike charge. Put alternatives. Once the asset's fee has fallen beneath the destroy-even degree, you can promote the options agreement, final your position, and acquire the distinction among the premium you paid and the modern top rate. Alternatively, you may exercising the choice to sell the underlying asset at the agreed-upon strike rate. If the asset's charge movements inside the contrary course, then preferred for either a call or put choice. You truly allow the agreement expire, and your losses are same to the amount you paid for the option, e.g., the top rate plus related trading fees. Options trading strategies can end up very complex, while superior traders pair or more calls or puts with unique strike fees or expiration dates. Options trading pros. Options trading combines specificity with flexibility. Traders want to choose a specific strike charge and expiration date, which locks in the fee they trust an asset is headed toward over a sure time frame. However, in addition, they have the power to see how things work out at some point of that point, and if they're wrong, they're now not obligated to, in reality, execute an alternate. Because options contracts have an expiration date, which can range from some days to numerous months, options trading strategies appeal to investors who need to restriction their publicity to a given asset for a shorter time period. Options traders need to actively display the rate of the underlying asset to determine in the event that they're in the money or want to exercising the option. Options buying and selling is likewise appealing as a hedging tool. For instance, if you very own stocks of an organization, you could buy positioned alternatives to mitigate capability losses inside the event the inventory's price is going down. This is one purpose that alternatives for large marketplace benchmarks, just like the Nifty 50, are normally used as a hedge for ability declines in the marketplace within the brief time period. Options trading cons. Options trading doesn't make feel for every person, especially folks who prefer a palms-off making an investment method. There are basically three choices you ought to make with alternatives buying and selling: direction, fee, and time, which provides greater complexity to the making an investment manner than some people choose. Unlike trading shares, to make money from options buying and selling, you'll need to set charge indicators and preserve a near eye available on the market to see whilst your alternate becomes worthwhile. And you'll want to take into account of the risks and buying and selling costs that may add up with various options techniques. While many brokers have removed costs for trading stocks or change-traded budget, ETFs, these still exist for options. Commissions may additionally vary from a flat fee to a according to contract price based totally on the quantity you change, both while you buy or promote alternatives. As an end result, options investors need to don't forget those fees whilst considering the profitability of an options method. Finally, due to the fact alternatives trades are inherently shorter time period in nature, you're possibly to cause quick-term capital gains. How to start trading options. It's best to have a pretty strong understanding of buying and selling under your belt earlier than you dive into alternatives. Then you have to outline what your funding objectives are, along with capital renovation, producing profits, increase, or hypothesis. Your broker may also have additional requirements, such as disclosing your net worth or the varieties of options contracts you want to exchange. As with any other form of making an investment, It's pleasant to train yourself very well earlier than you start and use online simulators to get a sense for the way alternatives trading works earlier than you strive the actual deal. In the start, it's best to consciousness on an asset you realize properly and guess in quantity you're comfortable dropping. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.